Hello's Sunday, everybody. It's me, Chorkie. Now, will you look at this wee picture? There I am. I went for a lovely walk with mine mum, mine friend Boot, and my mum friend Estelle today, and we went to the lake. Well, there's two of them, so I suppose it's the lakes. Anyway, we were walking and we were talking and we were walking and we were talking. Mum had some water with her and she kept stopping to give me and my friend Boots some water. And we drunk some and Mum put a little bit on us. Anyway, we got right round to the other side where we can swim. And Mum said, Chorkie, and I said, what, Mum? And she said, you're going in the water for a wee swim. I said, what? I've only ever paddled. So we came down to the little bit of banking where the beach kind of area is, and Mum walked me into the water. Well, she didn't really. I went in first on my own just to cover my feet, and she walked me into the water, and I started to lift me up, and I started to do the swimming thing in the air, and she put me, and I had a swim, and I swam, and I swam, and I swimmed, and I swimmed, and oh, I really enjoyed it. It's my first time I've ever swimmed before, and it was so good. I swimmed and I swam, I swam and I swimmed, and I came out and it was beautiful. I was lovely and cool, and I had a fabulous, fantastic, lovely Sunday in the sun, and a beautiful first time swimming. And I hope you all had a lovely day too. And remember, your Chorkie loves you. Woohoo! Oh yeah, please, will you share my post with all your friends so they can enjoy a bit of Chorkie too? Woohoo! I love you. Swimmed and I swam, swammed and I swimmed.